What's up, you guys? This is A10e from Used Cell Phone Parts and Repair, and today we're going to be making a short video on how to factory hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A10e smartphone. First step is you want to power the phone completely off. Next step is you want to hold the volume up key and the power button at the same time. Now, when the Samsung logo appears, that's when you want to release the power button, but continue to hold the volume up key. From this stage, you want to hit your volume down key and go down to where it says factory data. Wipe data and factory reset, and hit your power key. Then you want to hit the volume down key to yes and hit the power key. Next, you want to hit the power key where it says reboot system now. This will completely factory restore your phone back to its original settings. If you like this video, don't forget to like us and subscribe, and also click that notification bell. We will be uploading more videos weekly. Until next time, be blessed and have a wonderful day.